Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the silver Casio calculator to solve a quadratic equation. So we know the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So say we are given x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0 and asked to solve. Well, the a is the number in front of the x squared, so that's 1. The b is the number in front of the x, which is 2. And the c is the number by itself, which in this case is minus 3. And we simply put that into our calculator. Now, when we get our calculator, we need to make sure that it's in the correct mode. At the moment, it's in computer mode, number 1, which is the default. So we need to put it in equation mode, which is 5. And we are looking for the quadratic equation. So that's ax squared plus bx plus c, so number 3. And then all I do is I put in a, b, and c. So a is 1, b is 2, and c is negative 3. Then I say equals, it's going to give me my first x value. So my first x value is 1. Then I look and I say equals again. That'll give me my next x value, which is minus 3. My x value minimum, negative 1. And my y value minimum, negative 4. So if I want to check through them, I can just keep saying equals, and I see my x1 is 1, x2 minus 3, and so forth. So I can write down those values. So I've got my x1 was equal to 1, my x2 was equal to minus 3, my y minimum was negative 4, and my x-min was negative 1. So I could even just quickly draw this graph. So I've done the little graph on the side here, and yellow graph. So my x1 gives me my x-intercept, which is 1. My x2 gives me my other x-intercept, minus 3. My y-min gives me my smallest y value, which was negative 4. So along here somewhere. And that would be y equals negative 4 along there. And my x minimum was negative 1. So along here somewhere. Okay, so the minimum tells me my turning point. And so that was negative 1 and negative 4. So I have these points. It's a parabola. The A is positive, which means it's a smiley face graph. So I simply draw the graph through those points. Okay. There we have it. So that's how you would do the equation, and I drew the graph as well for you. If you enjoyed the video, if it helped you, please like the video and subscribe.